morning. I'm your teacher as a facilitator. My name is Lovely Khanna. Today I want to give about my coaching classes information. My coaching classes starts from class 1st to 10th and registration starts from 1st Feb. So please enroll your names in my coaching classes. 2 demo classes free, 50% discount on first 20 students. After 15 days progress report give to parents. Doubt sessions and test conduct on every Sunday. And right now I will teach you prefix. So please enroll your name in our coaching institute. Thank you.
Prefix, a group of letters that you put at the beginning of a word to modify. प्रीफिक्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग में लगकर उसके मीनिंग को मॉडिफाई करते हैं, चेंज करते हैं.